1, 2, 3.
Itu foto cuy. Hello guys, my name is Reno Renaldi Arifin. Good afternoon everybody. I want to explain about the animal in my home. If you want to see the animal in my home, please follow me. Hello guys, this is my animal in my home. The name of animal is canary. Canary is bird come from Spanish. The bird has a voice is very good. The bird have a three color. The first color in yellow. The second color is yellow. Is brown. The color is black. The canary has a small body, but the canary. This is my extra food, vegetable. Canary has a long voice. My canary is always be a champion in Bogor. The canary food is Jawa wood. This is my extra food. Sotong bone and extra food of vegetable more. All in the clean. Canary, I always clean the cake. Canary, everybody and clean drink place. After that, I'm always sunshine. 2 horse. Thanks for your attention. I'm sorry if I am fast to talking. Thank you.
2 menit 2 menit 18.
Beo. 2 menit 18. Ya, no, lu jelasin beonya udah enggak usah jauh beda kayak tadi lagi, tapi warnanya dia cuma black aja.
Paling itu. Paling itu.
Kan udah jauh itu ya. Apa? Halo guys. Sering sholat. Enggak apa-apa. Sering sholat, rajin sholat.
Kok ini lanjut sih? Lu bisa motong?
Hello guys. I want to explain the second animals in my home. If you want to see the animals in my home, please follow me. Hello guys, this is an animal in my home. The name of animal is murai batu. Murai batu is bird come from Java. Canary, murai is the bird has a voice is very good. The bird have 2 color. The first color is black. The second color is brown. The bird color, murai has a small body but has long voice. My murai is always be a champion in Bogor. The murai food is Jawa wood and extra food jangkrik, kroto, egg and more method the clean murai. I always clean the cake murai every day and clean a drink place. After that I am always sunshine. 2 horse. Thank for your attention. I'm sorry if I'm fast to talking. Thank you. Itu sama kenalnya. Nah, ya jadi mulai nih kenalnya. This is my bird in home.
My bird is very experienced.
My bird is experience
Price.
price.